So I'm here unloading my kiln, and I have this adorable butterfly mug with a green interior, and on the back it says, at the end of the day, we can endure much more than we think we can. And that is Frida Kahlo, one of my personal favorites. I have a little cappuccino mug with a sweet little face on it. It looks like a mouse to me, but it could be anything you want it to be as long as you love it. The bottom little handle is really sweet. We're going to start making some cappuccino mugs because they're so much fun, and the size is kind of cute, and it's also good for kids, which is also new this year. Here's a little tiny vase, purple interior, and a busy bee. Anyway, that's a little snapshot of some of this. This is my berry white, and he is filled to the brim, so I'm just going to cut off right here a piece.